2024 Mercedes-Benz V-Class, along with VIP luxury package, is designed to offer a premium experience for both private and business use. This updated model combines luxurious features, advanced technology, and enhanced comfort to meet the needs of discerning customers. Features. Exterior design. The 2024 V-Class features a refreshed exterior with a bold radiator grille, new LED headlights, and redesigned LED tail lamps. The front now includes a prominent Mercedes-Benz star on the bonnet, enhancing its modern appeal. Drivespark.com cars.co.za. New alloy wheels are available in 17, 18, and 19-inch sizes, with additional paint colors to choose from. Cars.co.za. Interior and technology. Inside, the V-Class boasts the latest MBUX infotainment system with dual 1.2.3-inch displays, offering high levels of connectivity and user-friendly features like the Hey Mercedes voice assistant. Cars.co.za. The cabin is designed for maximum comfort with luxurious materials and customizable seating configurations. VIP luxury models often feature options like reclining seats, premium sound systems, and additional ambient lighting. Cars.co.za. Powertrain options. The V-Class continues with its reliable 2.0-liter turbodiesel engines, available in various power outputs. The top-of-the-line V300D delivers 174 kW, 233 HP, and 550 Nm of torque, ensuring robust performance. Care Expert. An all-electric EQV variant is also available, providing an eco-friendly option with a range of up to 405 km on a single charge. Drivespark.com. Safety and convenience. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. These systems enhance driver confidence and passenger safety. Care Expert. The VIP luxury package often includes privacy windows, additional sound insulation, and bespoke interior trims to cater to VIP needs. Drivespark.com. Care Expert. Pricing. The price for the 2024 Mercedes-Benz V-Class, along with VIP luxury options, varies based on customizations, but generally ranges from $112,816 to $133,876. Care Expert. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz V-Class Long VIP Luxury offers a blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a luxurious and versatile vehicle. Whether used for personal comfort or as a high-end shuttle, this model stands out for its superior quality and features.